Hey, Mr. G, I heard that we had new sponsors for the show today.
That's right, TJ. This episode is made possible in part by
the Ganser Family Friends.
Thanks, Jeff. I like you.
Yeah.
We really appreciate our sponsors.
Oh, can we start the show?
Absolutely.
Hi, my name is TJ, and it's time for the Fun Farm Show, an educational program for kids. Let's watch it now.
Greetings, kids and cadets. Welcome to the Fun Farm, where we grow fun. And what is fun? It's good for you, and it's good to enjoy with others. So we're happy you could join us today. I have to finish getting ready. I've got to snap up my bibs, snap up my bibs, snap up my bibs, and get to work. Not quite there yet, kids and cadets. I've got to put on my gloves, put on my gloves, put on my gloves, and get to work. Someone's missing. It's my friend TJ. Let's have him join us, shall we? Hey, TJ. Good morning.
Oh, hi, Mr. G.
How are you?
I'm good. What time is it?
It's time to get to work.
Oh,
We've got a lot to do today.
I had a crazy dream.
You did? What did you dream about?
I did. Hold on. Let me. I had a dream that I could fly.
Wow, that's a fun dream.
It was. I got to see the whole fun farm from up on the sky, and I don't normally have wings, so it was really cool.
How special. I had a good dream too.
Oh, what's that?
I dreamt I was eating all kinds of yummy foods.
Like what?
Like cakes and pies and things I probably shouldn't eat too much of, but
Well,
in a dream it's okay.
Oh,
Are you ready for the to-do list?
okay, yeah.
Okay, Mrs. G's to-do list. Today's chores start with checking out the village and making sure everything is neat and clean, safe and strong.
All right. Where's the village?
Well, we have to go across the farm all the way to the other side, and we have to travel there in a special way.
Oh, what's that?
I have a magic instrument that will help us travel.
Ooh, what is that?
It's a kazoo.
A kazooble?
A kazoo.
A kazoo?
It's a kazoo. It's an instrument and it makes fun sounds.
Ooh.
And with this, we can go anywhere we think about with a special way of playing it.
Ooh.
And the way we play it is, I play the special tune,
Okay.
and we say kazoo together,
Kazoo.
and we think about where we're going to go.
Yep. Okay.
Yes. And kids and cadets, you can join us as we all travel to this part of the village to see if everything is neat and clean, safe and strong. Right?
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to play the special melody,
Okay.
and we'll say kazoo together,
Okay.
so that we'll stick together. We'll all say kazoo together, so we stick together.
Okay.
Okay, and you're ready for this?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Okay.
Yep. Kazoo!
Oh, it's a little soon, TJ.
Oh, okay. I'm just really excited.
Well, I am too. This is lots of fun.
All
Getting
right.
things done on the farm is good. Ready?
Mhm. Okay.
You don't have to be that close.
Oh, can I blow on it?
No,
Let me
no.
try.
This is a special tool that, unless you know how it works,
Oh,
it doesn't work like it should. You have to be very careful with certain tools.
All right. I'll be right here.
Someday you'll learn, and that's good. Learning is fun. But until you know how to do it right,
All right.
you might make a mistake, and that could be bad.
Okay.
So, here we go.
Kazoo!
We have to say it together, TJ.
All right. I got it. I've got
Are
it.
you sure?
Yep.
It's okay. We're
I'm
learning
good.
together.
I'm good. I got it.
It's okay. It's not, it's just specific.
All right.
Okay.
Kazoo! Oh, wow. That was amazing.
That was fun, wasn't it?
Where are we?
We're in the workshop.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the village looked really good. Nothing to fix yet. And now we have something to fix in the workshop.
Oh, what's that?
Well, let me put the magic kazoo away first. I'm going to keep that nice and safe.
Okay.
But we have a wagon here,
Oh.
and there's something missing. The wagon can't do what a wagon does. Something's missing that makes the wagon do what the wagon does.
Well, I guess the only thing that the wagon needs is wheels, and that side looks fine.
One here,
One there. and then-
two here.
Oh, right there. There's
It's
one
missing a
There's-
wheel.
Yeah, there's a
The
wheel
wheel has
missing.
fallen off. I don't know where it is. We're going to have to make a wheel
Oh, how do we do that?
with magic. And we'll do it together, okay?
Okay.
And kids and cadets, you can join us as we go on the count of 3
Okay.
and point to what's missing and fix it.
Right.
Okay? So it'll be 1, 2, 3, point.
Got it.
Got it?
Yep.
Okay, kids and cadets, let's all do it together.
Yep.
1, 2.
Is it fixed yet?
No, it's too soon. We have to do
all right.
all the
Okay.
1, 2, 3 point.
All right. I've got it this time.
Okay. Ready, kids and cadets? 1, 2.
Fixed.
TJ,
I fixed it.
you're so eager.
Is it there?
It's not
oh, no,
fixed
it's
yet.
not.
We didn't do
Okay.
it together.
All right.
We have to fix it together or it
Okay.
doesn't get fixed.
Okay.
Okay. One more time, kids and cadets, join us. 1, 2, 3, point. Good job. Good
Hey.
job.
By 4?
Thanks, TJ. Let's move on to the next thing on the to-do list.
Ooh, what's that?
Okay, Mrs. G's to-do list. The next thing on the to-do list is check out the pets.
Ooh. Okay.
Make sure the pets are fed and taken good care of.
Mm.
Okay, so you ready to transport to the pet pen?
Yeah. Do we
Oh,
need the kazoo again?
We do need the kazoo again.
Oh.
Good memory, TJ.
Thank you.
I'm impressed. Did you remember that, kids and cadets? Let's do this together. Do you remember how we do it?
Mm-hmm.
I play the special song,
Yep.
and then we say kazoo together.
Okay. I'm
Ready?
Yep.
Okay. Kazoo. We have to do it together, TJ.
I thought I was waiting for the tune to be done. I was trying
Well,
to.
that's a real short tune.
All right. Well, one more time. One more time.
Okay. We'll all do it together. Together, or we can't do it at all. Kazoo.
Oh,
Ah,
that was fun.
it's always fun to travel around the property.
Yeah.
And here we are in the pet pen.
Oh, this is nice.
Yeah, and we're going to check on a different animal today.
Oh, what are we doing?
We're going to check on a cow.
Oh, what's a cow?
Well, let me try and describe it for you.
Okay.
It's a big animal, and it has 4 feet.
All right.
Mm-hmm. It has 2 horns.
Oh.
It has black and white colors on it.
Oh.
Hmm.
Oh, does it look like that?
TJ, it looks more like this.
Oh, a cow.
Yeah.
I've seen
Yeah.
those before.
Yep. And we have several on the property, but we're just checking on one at this time.
Oh.
Yeah, it's out there eating grass. It's doing what cows do.
Oh, all right.
I think we can leave it alone.
Oh,
And let's
okay.
go on to something else.
Oh, fun.
Okay, indeed. We're going to go to the fun shed, and
Oh.
you haven't been there before. So
Oh, well, how
you're
do
going
I?
to have to hold my hand,
Oh, all right.
and I'll imagine where it is. And kids and cadets, you're going to have to trust me. We're going to think about a fun shed and see where we go. Ready?
Yeah.
Kazoo!
Oh, that was exciting.
And here we are.
Where are we?
We're in the fun shed. You haven't been here before, have you?
Should I have been?
Well, maybe, but there's all kinds of new experiences on the fun farm.
Well,
And
what's
kids
this?
and cadets, what do we do on the fun farm? We grow fun, and this is where we grow it.
Oh, what does that even look like?
Well, I'm going to show you. I have a fun seed right here,
Oh,
and we're going to plant it today, and you'll see what kind of fun grows.
oh, okay.
So I'm going to put it in our little special soil,
Oh,
and just like a lot of plants, it needs at least 4 things to
Oh.
be successful.
okay. Yeah.
We need good earth.
Yeah.
We need good water.
Yep.
We need love.
Oh,
And we need funshine.
did you make that up?
No, this is a special type of sunshine for the funds.
Oh.
It's funshine.
Oh, okay.
So we'll come back and we'll see how it's doing.
All right. So when's it gonna happen?
Well, it takes a little bit of time. It might be a day, it might be a week.
Oh,
Different types of funds grow different lengths of time.
Oh, I thought it was gonna happen now.
Well, you have to be patient. Good things take time, kids and cadets. You have to be very patient. Some things just need to take the time they need to take.
Okay.
So maybe next time. But for now, the work is done. We've had some fun, and now it's time to go.
We'll see you next time, kids and cadets, on the Fun Farm Show.
Wasn't that a great show?
Oh, it sure was, Mr. G.
We really appreciate our sponsor, too. Thanks again to...
The Ganser Family Friends.
I can always count on you, Jeff.
I like Jeff.
See you later, kids and cadets.